Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of getting your Uganda virtual phone number from KrispCall. To buy your Ugandan phone number, first, visit KrispCall.com and either sign in or register. Then access My Number by clicking the plus icon or navigating to Settings. Click on Purchase New Number. Now, for the drop-down menu, select Uganda. Customize your preferred number type and proceed by clicking Buy Number. Provide a name for your selected number and add it to your cart. You must submit the required documents and necessary information to purchase a Ugandan phone number. Click Confirm Purchase. Once your Ugandan phone number is activated, you can start making and receiving calls. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced features like unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.